in the course of the last 7 decades, the sort of nexus that existed between the intellectual establishment and the ruling Congress party, they tried to propagate one narrative, which was precisely this, that whenever you try to speak about caste, it's about atrocity, it's about reservation, it's about doles, it's about populist measures. But if you look at it in depth, if you do some academic analysis, if you try to bring some nuanced research perspective, you would realize that caste is not just a political concept, it is a sociological concept as well. As we are aware that the chairperson of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was a foremost legal thinker, he was a social thinker, he was an eminent economist, he was an eminent anthropologist, an intellectual, an institution in himself. But you see what the Congress party did. The Congress left intelligentsia, like I said in my opening remarks, in their quest to perpetuate, to promote only one Nehru Gandhi dynasty, they did a great amount of disservice to these great men and women of India. People with great vision, foresight. I would, by your medium of Festival of Bharat, request all the youngsters, request all the thinking citizens of our society and the country and across the world that we must read the debates, the assertions, and the arguments that has gone into the making of our constitution. The Constituent Assembly debate is in itself a reflection of our diversity. It's a reflection of our appetite for diverse opinions and perspectives, and at the same time that we can coexist with such diversities.